Mega Evolution Mini 10. God of War. Let's go. Hopefully God of War is inside the gold one. Okay. Oh. We got a sticker, God of War. And then I think this one is the art card. I'm not pretty sure. And also I watched from TikTok we can open this pack to get something. I don't know. Let's try. Ah, sorry, I was wrong. It's nothing. Okay, we got 2 pack. 1, 2. Huh? Really? I just know it. I just realized that first is a Mega Evolution, and then the second one we got a Destiny of Rifle. Yeah, okay, let's try. I think it's God of War again, really. We put God of War yesterday. I think so. Oh, Pterosaurus, guys. Destiny Rifle, second pack.